health experts advise lawmakers to thoroughly study and set safeguards first before legalizing the use of marijuana for medical purposes. Nel Maribojoc will tell us why.
The House of Representatives is once again pushing to legalize marijuana for medical purposes. Based on House Bill number 180 of Isabela Representative Rodolfo Albano, studies shows that cannabis or marijuana helps control seizures, manage pain, and ease effects of arthritis and other ailments. This has also been the thoughts of Dr. George Ignacio of the UP Philippine General Hospital Cancer Research Institute or CRI.
Cannabidiol is the one responsible for the analgesia, anti-seizure, neuroprotective, antioxidant, anti-tumor, antipsychotic, and anti-anxiety effects.
Despite the positive effects, CRI recommends the formulation of clear safeguards in the use of marijuana to avoid its abuse. CRI also recommends the importation of cannabis in the form of medicine.
We can outsource the cannabis oil, which is form of drug recommendable from legally recognized companies abroad.
The Department of Health, however, says studies are still needed to be conducted on whether cannabis is safe and effective to use for medical purposes.
More extensive research or studies on the quality, the safety, and the efficacy of the use of the leaves or the herbal form of marijuana or cannabis.
The bill legalizing marijuana for medical use did not pass in the previous Congress due to several unresolved issues. Nel Maribojoc, UNTV News and Rescue, House of Representatives.